Your front entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, boosts curb appeal, and helps keep indoor temperatures comfortable in Sugar Land's changing climate. Over time, even the best doors can wear down. Knowing when it's time to replace your front entry door can save you money, improve security, and enhance your home's appearance. Here are the most common signs Sugar Land homeowners should watch for. Visible damage or warping. Cracks, dents, or warped panels are clear indicators that your entry door may be past its prime. Sugar Land's heat and humidity can cause wood doors to swell, warp, or split over time. Even small cracks can grow larger, allowing air and moisture to enter. If repairs no longer restore the door's shape or function, replacement is often the smarter long-term solution. Difficulty opening or closing a front door should open and close smoothly. If you notice sticking, dragging, or gaps that weren't there before, your door may be misaligned or warped. Seasonal temperature changes in Sugar Land can worsen these issues, making everyday use frustrating. A new entry door ensures proper fit, smoother operation, and improved comfort. Rising energy bills. An aging or poorly sealed front door can let hot air seep in during summer and allow cooled air to escape. If your energy bills have been climbing and you've ruled out other causes, your entry door could be part of the problem. Modern replacement doors are designed with better insulation and tighter seals, helping Sugar Land homeowners maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Drafts or moisture around the door. Feeling a draft near your front entry or noticing moisture buildup is a sign the door is no longer sealing properly. Over time, weather stripping wears out and door frames can shift. In Sugar Land's humid environment, moisture intrusion can lead to bigger issues like mold or wood rot. Replacing the door helps protect your home from unwanted air and water infiltration. Outdated appearance. Your front entry door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. If it looks outdated, faded, or doesn't match your home's current style, replacing it can make a noticeable difference. A new entry door instantly refreshes your home's exterior and creates a welcoming first impression for guests and potential buyers alike. Reduced security. Older doors may lack modern security features, making them easier to force open. Weak materials, worn locks, or flimsy frames can put your home at risk. New front entry doors are built with stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems, offering Sugar Land homeowners greater peace of mind. Excessive noise from outside. If outside noise easily travels through your front door, it may no longer be providing adequate insulation. Busy streets, nearby neighbors, or everyday outdoor sounds can become disruptive. A replacement door with better construction and insulation helps create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. When replacement makes sense while minor repairs can extend a door's life, repeated fixes often add up without fully solving the problem. If your front entry door shows multiple signs of wear, replacement is usually the most cost-effective and beneficial option. Upgrading your front entry door in Sugar Land improves comfort, security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal all at once. If your door is showing its age, replacing it can be a smart investment that enhances both your daily living experience and your home's long-term value.